Hi guys, today we're going to make cherry mocha frappuccino. We need 3 scoop ice cream of your choice and 1/4 cup coffee, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, 1/2 cup cherry. I already removed the seeds in it. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. That's it. Just blend it for a couple seconds. And our cherry mocha frappuccino is here. Then we're going to add whipped cream on top. It's just an optional if you really want it. And also chocolate. I added chocolate here. Then we can add 1 cherry. This is all just optional. And thank you so much guys for watching. This is it for today. Please subscribe and hit that bell for a new video. Thank you. And don't forget, check the channel shout out that we have.